Hello, I'm Jessica Miner.
I'm Adrienne Mowry, and we'll be presenting on the Tobii Dynavox T10.
The cost of the T10 device is $7,000, which comes with a key guard, stand, and case. If you already have a device, or you want a more cost-effective option, you can purchase the Compass app on their website or at the App Store for $179.
There are several languages available on the Compass app and the T10 device, including English, Spanish, Swedish, Norwegian, German, Danish, and Dutch.
The T10 series comes with the Compass 2.5 software. The Compass 2.5 software is a well-researched communication software built for interfacing on a tablet device through multiple modalities.
For more information, these are the associated websites. You can go to tobiidynavox.com/T-Series, dynavoxtech.com/medcare-devices/ or mytobiidynavox.com/content/resources/PDF/T-Series users guide.pdf. Now we will show you some of the page sets that are available during setup. The Tobii Dynavox T10 comes with 7 standard page sets. The page sets available during the setup process are Navbar, which includes visual scene pages, topic pages, and core pages. It is recommended for children through adults who have the motility to access the device by touch.
The next page set is Master Page, which includes topic pages, visual scene, topic pages, and core words. It is recommended for children through adults who function well with page sets organized around a master page and can access the pages by touch or alternate access.
The next page set is text-based, which includes topic page, keyboard, and topic menu. It is recommended for adults with minimal or no difficulty reading, work well with large stored vocabulary, and can access it by touch or alternate access.
The next page set is Stroke and Brain Injury Persona, which includes Navbar, Master Page, and text-based. It is recommended for persons with aphasia. No limitations on accessing technique.
The next page is Word Power page set. It includes 10,000 to 30,000 core vocabulary, 100 fringe words, spelling, word-based system, and word prediction.
The next page set is All Access, which includes main page, topic pages, and core page sets. It is recommended for children through adults who can alternate between different page sets and communication tools. There are no limitations on accessing technique.
The next page set is Navigator page set. It includes keyboards, quick phrase pages, and message history pages. It is recommended for teens through adults who are literate and function well with a variety of communication tools. No limitations on accessing technique. When accessing through the app device, like we have, we were not given the option for the literacy page set, premium page set, gateway page set, or the pod page set. These may be options for the T10 device, but not for the app which we have downloaded and are presenting to you today. One that's not included here within the Tobii Dynavox guide is the Core First, which is recommended for children through adults who benefit from a gradual expansion of words, primarily use core words, and may function well with a variety of communication tools. There's no limitations on how you can access this page set.
This is the toolbar. Right now we're on topics. Other options include quickfire, which brings you to general need-to-know expressions that we use every day. The next option is quick phrases. If you need help or need something to drink, there are many options, and there are many page sets to choose from, and you can easily interface and alternate by tapping them. I can go to the core page set and tap any button and interface with my communication partner from here. There's wordless. I have it set up with a nice level 5, so I can come in here and have as much vocabulary as I want, and you can add to any of these. You also have keyboard access, so you can type in a message, something that is very iconic and specific to you. Then you have your dashboard, which provides you access to settings such as volume up and down, other apps, games, and more. Let's go back to topics. Here you see I've taken a picture of my bedroom where I've placed hotspots. Click on a hotspot and it changes the buttons below. Here you can click on various hotspots. If you want to change a button, click the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll see the red bar at the bottom. I can tap on anything that I want and change it. Let's change leave the TV on, select it and tap the keyboard just to the right of the text box. And it brings up a keyboard to provide the option of changing the button. You have the option to select a new photo. They provide you options, or you can select camera to take a picture, or file to select photos that you already have on your device. You can also select images that have been uploaded to your device already. To save your changes, select the check mark at the top right corner of the screen. You can also make adjustments by navigating to the Settings menu. Then go to Editor and do the same thing to the board, and then you'll see an editing bar which provides you more options. You can see all the different types of buttons that I have made with a huge range of options. I have a lights button, and by selecting it, you can also save it in different locations of the device. Select Exit to save your progress. To create a new board, go to Settings, then select Page Creator. It provides you the option to use pre-made templates, or you can use boards that you've already made. I'm going to use a blank page. Then I'm going to name it, and I will call it Hi. Then you can also select a location for your board. Select Done, Here you have a blank page. Then you'll select Standard, then tap Standard again, and here you can touch and drag to create your page set. Select the red button located at the top left corner of the box. Here you can label it by selecting the keyboard to the right of the text box. I'll name it Hello. Then select Done. You can also change the message, but I'm going to keep it as Hello. Then you can choose a symbol for your label. Again, you can use your camera or previously stored images. I'm going to select an image already stored on my device. Select it, then tap the green check mark at the top right corner. The trickiest part is the programming for selecting the appropriate action for your button. Select the drop-down menu and scroll down to Speech. As you can see, there are many options to choose from, but we just want our button to speak the text. Select the button, which will open up an enter text box where you can type in exactly what you want the button to say. Select Done, then OK. Select the green check mark at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap the screen and then select Exit to save your changes. Tap Yes. Then tap the button and your device should say Hello. Hello. If you want to continue editing, I'll go to Settings, then select Editor. If you want to create a hotspot for your page set, select Standard, then Hotspot. Then tap and drag the desired hotspot. Select the red button and then type in the label. I'm not going to add a picture because I want it to be transparent. Then select Action, and you have many options to choose from.
So for the hotspot, I'm going to make it access another page by tapping Open Page in parentheses page name under Favorites. By doing this, it gives me the option of picking another visual scene to navigate to by tapping that button. I'm going to do the bedroom scene. I'm going to click Select, and here you can see it. It's the first thing it's going to do is open up that. So now I've got a really simple but cool page. I'm going to exit editing. I'm going to exit. I'm going to save. So I'm at my new simple page. I'm going to tap my first button.
Hello.
I'm now going to travel from one page to a new page. And here I am back at my bedroom page where we started. There are some cool things you can do with this.
The Tobii Dynavox offers several access methods to provide the most appropriate selection technique for your client. If you go to the Settings menu, the top left corner, and then click on Access Method, you will see several access methods and selection techniques, such as Simple Touch, which has been demonstrated throughout this video. You simply tap the button to make your selection. You can also manage other settings within that option. Next, you have Touch Enter, which requires you to select for a minimum amount of time. Select Settings, which will allow you to adjust the hold time and release time. The next section is Touch Exit. This requires you to press for a minimum time, and then selection is accomplished upon release. You can adjust the hold settings and release time in this setting. The Scanning Access method highlights in a specific pattern and a selection is made with a switch. There are several options in the scanning settings to adjust scan type, input, pattern. This shows you the scan pattern. You can select by row, column, column, row, or linear. It also allows you to adjust the number of passes. You have infinite all the way from 1 to 4. You also have the option to adjust the interface, pages, and audio cue. Finally, Mouse Access method selects objects with a mouse using dwell or a switch. You can adjust settings regarding selection with dwell switch and the scroll bar visibility. To adjust the rate enhancement, you will go to Settings, which will bring you to this menu, and then you will select Rate Enhancement. Here you can see different options such as auto expand abbreviations. You can manage this. As you can see, they have provided abbreviation expansions for you already. You can click on it and edit it, or by selecting Manage, you can create a new abbreviation. Select the abbreviation box, type in your abbreviation such as LOL, select Done, then select the expansion box and type in the expanded abbreviation. Then select Done. Select Save, and you have a new abbreviation expansion. If you go back, you also have the option to adjust prediction. This will predict suggestions for your next word or letters. You can adjust the settings, which provides you different options to enable or disable, such as show symbols with predictions, predict words only once, context prediction off, etc. You also have the option to adjust message history. This saves the history of messages in your windows. If you select settings, you can manage the use of history in phrase prediction. You can enable or disable this, and it provides you other modifications. If you wish to disable these options for your client, you can simply unselect the box to turn off rate enhancement selection or prediction. To adjust message feedback, go to your settings menu and then select voice settings. This provides you many modifications to make regarding voice, highlighting, voice boost, volume, rate, and voice preview. By selecting this drop-down box, you can see there are numerous accents to choose from in different regions in the world. We shall pick English Australia. Oh, UK apparently. And at this point, you can select volume and a voice boost. Clicking the box will enable it. To program a standard volume, just move the sliding volume bar. It goes from 0 to 100. To program rate, move the sliding bar from slow to fast. Volume and rate buttons on the side of the device will increase or decrease. Synthesized voice is not yet available with Tobii Dynavox, but it will be shortly. We hope you enjoyed this video demonstration of the Tobii Dynavox T10 series.
This experience has shown us how important it is to know programming for any device that a client of ours will have in the future, because it's so important and crucial to their communication. Thank you.
Thank you again.